Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to factory reset a Krups coffee machine. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is identify the exact model number of your Krups machine. Over here, you can find it on the sticker located on the underside or rear, such as E8105, E8970, XN1001, KP108, or X311. After that, apply the model specific reset procedure. Then, if your model is not listed, visit krupsuser.com and consult the user manual or ask with the model number. After that, once the reset is complete, re-enter your language, water hardness, and beverage preferences. Then run at least 2 rinse cycles before brewing coffee. So that's basically how you can factory reset a Krups coffee machine. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.